Brian used the same rule on each input number to create the output numbers in the table below. Which rule could Brian have used? So here are the rules, right? Don't be intimidated by that. These are the rules, they're giving them to us. Let's just read through them before we even look at the table to get a sense of what a rule, right, really is. One rule could be that you add 10. Another is that you add 30. Another rule is that you subtract 10, or the last rule is subtract 20. So in this case, rules mean that you're either adding or subtracting an amount. What does that mean? Well, if we look at Brian's input-output table, an input-output table is a similar idea to something called a function in math. The idea is that you, just like many other things in life, you put in a value. That's your input. You can see the word in input. You put it into the function or the operation, and what happens is, well, we spit out an output, right? So an output is based on the input, and there's some rule in the middle that's controlling the way these things are related. You can think of so many different things. For example, maybe this is an oven, right? And let's say we put, I don't know, something nice into the oven. How about chicken? What comes out is a roasted chicken, right? That's the output. Maybe or a baked chicken or whatever. It's been roasted in the oven or baked in the oven. And the oven itself is the rule here. Maybe the rule is it's at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, right? We're cooking. But there are so many analogies to this idea. But the relationship and the thing to remember is that this input makes this output, and this input makes this output, and this one makes this one, and so forth. So we're trying to look at a rule that connects 30 to 20, and 60 to 50, and 20 to 10. And once we make the connection, I think it's nice and straightforward. Notice that 20 is 10 less than 30, and 50 is 10 less than 60, and 10 is 10 less than 20, and 30 is 10 less than 40. So every time we're taking our input and subtracting 10 to get our output. So the answer here is C, subtract 10. You might confuse this whole process and try to pick add 10, but remember the input comes first and then the output comes second, and that'll really help. Thanks.